Alright, hello everyone and welcome back to the Daily Show again. So let's get started. Alright, so as you know, today is Monday, so the normal market has yet to be open. So basically what we see over here is the weekly closing for Bitcoin. So weekly closing is actually right on this resistance region. Yep. So if you look in terms of price action wise, so basically price has fallen a little bit and there was an indecision candle over here. So basically after this indecision, there's a little strong bounce, decent bounce. Volume-wise is relatively similar. So it could be that short-term wise, it could be going towards the uptrend to get a clearer rejection, or it could be a continuation towards the upside. So if you look at just the line chart, you'll be clearer that in terms of the chart itself, now it's still forming a higher high, a low, and a higher low has now been confirmed. So that is actually a very good sign because yes, previously, without this higher low confirmation, it could actually be transiting to a potentially bearish market structure or even to a continuation of the neutral market structure. So right now, in terms of trend wise, looking strong, bullishly because you get 50, 150, and 200 align nicely. Bullish market structure, you get higher highs and higher low. And then this is yet, okay, so for this particular point, even though people will consider as a lower high, we have yet to see this week closing. So unless this week close with a low to confirm this as a high, then you form a lower high and a higher low. Then again, it will transit back to a neutral market structure. Otherwise, it could be making higher high again and just continuing upwards. So yeah, trend remains bullish. And in terms of the strength of the trend wise, it's definitely looking strong. But let's look at the daily chart now. So the daily chart wise, it's really consolidating really very small in terms of the consolidation wise. So that is a likelihood that it's going to make a decent move. Say for example, consolidate over here, then it's a decent break, consolidate over here, decent break, consolidate over here, decent break, consolidate over here, decent break. So yeah, so basically consolidation does leads the low volatility period does leads to higher volatility period after that. So for me, right now I'm leaning towards the bearish because price is very much below these 200, below this 55 exponential simple moving average. Okay, but looking on this, you get a high, a higher high, a low, 9234, and then this is 9238. So this is a high, a higher high, a low, a higher low. So you get a bullish market structure and a bullish trend. Wait, I put this as neutral. So let's just look at this first. So this is a high, a higher high. This is a low, 9234. This is a higher low, 9238. Correct, because this has closed with a higher high. Before there was this high that was taken into reference. So yep, so now you actually get a very clear bullish market structure from the weekly to daily market structure. So I actually have to lean more towards the bullish side, but let's see on the 4-hour chart what do you get. Okay, so on the 4-hour chart, what I mentioned over here is this. So this particular setup, like what I mentioned, is not recommended just to enter upon clean rejection. So if you are looking, this is the first rejection. What you want is a break of this low. So, but before I update the exact specific trade setup, let's talk about the market structure. You get a high, a higher high, a low, a higher low. So similarly, even on the 4-hour chart, you're getting a bullish market structure and strong in terms of the trend, not so strong because there's a transition. So yeah, so now that the strength of the trend actually reduced, so there is sign that this could be reversing back up to a bullish trend even in terms of the 4-hour chart. So in order for me to go for a long, I will need a clean break above these 200 exponential moving average, 200 simple moving average over here before I consider going for a long setup. So a long setup will basically, upon the break of clean resistance over here, I need some sort of like a pullback, and then the break of a higher high is where I will enter. Whereas if you're looking for a short, what I will want is basically a break of bearish market structure, which is a high here, a lower high here, and then this is a low, this is a lower low. So if it does break below here, you can consider to enter a short, taking into consideration price action. This will be where you're looking to do a potential setup. So I will take profit somewhere along here, which is my first target, and here is the second target. So I would say in terms of the setup wise, there's two potential. There's both long and short. So you're looking for pullback if you're looking to enter a long trade, but you have to have a clean break of the 200 exponential moving, 200 simple moving average on the 4-hour chart. So pullback is for a long setup. Oh yeah. So in terms of short wise, your target will be around here. Will be around the 8.9 to 9K. Your long target will be somewhere along here, 9.5 to 9.7K. Yep. So that's the two potential setup. Otherwise, I'll see you guys tomorrow where the traditional financial market will open and it'll be interesting to see how it goes. All right. Otherwise, take care, everyone, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.